Nifty gap down 300 points and then recovered 100 points. Are you someone who was confused seeing Nifty go up? Then do watch the entire video to understand my analysis, and also I'm gonna share some important learnings using price action. Hi guys, thank you for stopping by my video. I welcome you all to my channel Pure Patterns. In this video you are going to learn some important levels for tomorrow, and also I'm gonna share some important trading concepts using price action. So make sure that you watch the entire video to know more about these concepts. So let's go to the Nifty chart and see what is there on the chart for tomorrow. Before I get into the detailed analysis of the chart, make sure that you hit on the like button if you are liking the content which I post on my channel. Also, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Not to forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I post new videos on my channel. Well, that being said, let's go to the chart and see some of the important levels on the chart. Let's first summarize what has happened in Nifty today. So Nifty gapped down over 370 points. After that gap down, there was a huge profit booking which came in. As a result, Nifty moved over 90 points in the first candle itself. Therefore, you often hear people saying that you should never buy after a significant gap up, or you should never sell after a significant gap down. You should always wait for the confirmation. Today was one such day for an intraday trader. Had you entered a short position looking at 370 points gap down, or looking at the red candle which was formed in the first 5 minutes, then you would have taken a huge loss. Therefore, you should always wait for the confirmation. I would like to draw your maximum attention in this concept which I am trying to explain it now. You see, people always say to wait for the confirmation. You should understand why. Whenever there is a huge gap down or gap up, there are chances that price might reach the critical zone. That's the first thing. What happens whenever the price reaches the critical zone? There are chances that people who are holding their positions might book their profit. The same thing happened today as well. If you go to 15 minutes chart and see 17,160 was a critical zone. If you see that there were two rejections which has already happened. You see, you can see this. This is the first time it was rejected, or there was a buying at the lower levels at 17,160. And Nifty came back to 17,160 and it got rejected and it went up. And similarly today it gapped down and fell at 17,160. Well, that was the concept one which I wanted to share. The other concept which I wanted to share is more of a strategy than a concept. However, for the benefit of the new traders or the novice traders, I would like to share it as a concept. This concept which I wanted to explain is about the pattern. Let's go to the 5 minutes chart and see that. If you see first 10 minutes, there was a pattern which was happening in Nifty. If you go and search about this pattern is also called as inside candle strategy or inside bar candle. The strategy is very simple. Whenever the high and low of the mother candle, in our case the mother candle is the red candle which is engulfing the entire high and low of the green candle. So whenever the high and low of the red candle was taken out, then we'll go long and short depending upon the side in which it has broken, keeping the low as SL if you are going long, keeping the high of red candle if you are going short. The point I'm trying to make through these two concepts is very simple. Had you waited for the confirmation and for the pattern to be formed, you could have definitely avoided making losses by going short, and there was an opportunity which was formed on the chart, that is inside bar. You would have got a trading opportunity on the long side. So those were the two concepts which I wanted to share. Let's go to the 10 minutes chart again and see what are the important levels for tomorrow's trading session. Now if you see this chart, all the movement has came in first hour. After that price has just consolidated. Now the high and low of this consolidation becomes very important for us for tomorrow's trading setup. 17,280 and 17,380 was the range where it has consolidated. So Nifty happens to open between this range, then it would be a wise decision to stay out, wait for the confirmation from the market. What could be the confirmation? The confirmation would be either we break the high or we break the low of this consolidation, that is 17,380 is broken on the top on the higher side, or 17,280 is broken on the downside. Then we would initiate or buy and sell positions depending upon the pattern, that is bullish pattern or bearish pattern which is formed while breaking this consolidation range. Then the question arises, what if we open gap up? Then we should wait for a decisive levels like 17,500 is a very good resistance, because previously it was supposed to be a support. Now it is broken, now it has turned into resistance, plus there is a gap boundary which can act as a resistance there as well. So if we open gap up, then we should wait for 17,500. What if we open gap down? Then we should clearly wait for today's low, that is 17,160. We should see how the price reacts there. If we are able to break 17,140, that was the previous swing high on the 15 minutes chart, then we may fall further to 17,020. So these are the important levels which I would be looking at for tomorrow's trading session. With that being said, it's time to wind up this video. We'll see you in another video with another interesting analysis. Till then, happy trading. See you. Bye bye.